wala siyang mga amoeba.
Sira na ngayon siyan ko, sirain ko pa. Kaya naman nang masira. So good.
Pati yung balat kinakain? Okay, so we're trying to eat this fig. So from the tree. So let's try. I never eat this one actually.
I never eat that.
Yeah.
Me too.
I think fig jam. Mmm. Soft and sweet.
Good.
I didn't know it looked like this. I know it's a red one. Yeah, it's nice. Next up, we're gonna try some grapes here. So these are the grape tree shrub. We're gonna try some stuff. So very small one. I'll try. Oh my god! Yes, I'll see. It's good. Ang tamis. Nice. So we're here now in the wine factory. So we're gonna do some wine tasting. Let's see. So there's vineyard down there. We passed through. So we're going inside now. Let's see. Note, if you can just smell what I'm smelling at the moment, it's very strong. I think it's the yeast that used for fermenting the grapes to make it as a wine. But I feel like I'm gonna get drunk just smelling it. But yeah, the dry white wine. So this is a product from Densley. Finished product coming out from there, and they're cleaning the bottle from the other end. That's the finished product. It's a bottle of 6 in 1 pack, so it's good to go for distribution. And these are the dry red wine. Comes from the bottle, and then they will fill it up from that one. And after they fill it up, they're gonna do the label. They're gonna put the cap on, and then they will label it, and then they will put it in the wrap machine thing. We're gonna taste first the pomegranate wine.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, what is for me?
This
is here.
This is the pomegranate.
Cheese.
How you say cheers in Turkish?
Şerefe.
Şerefe.
Oh, this one.
Oh, it smells good.
The video, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so good. So good.
Nasıl gidiyor işler? Nasıl gidiyorsun ya? İşler sezonu.
Oh wow, that's really good.
It's really good.
That's really good.
Better than juice.
Nice. I know. Better than the juice.
It's so good. I just drank it all the way down.
She's thirsty.
She finished. Did you just finish that? How many percent? 10% alcohol. 10%.
10% I will be drunk. Hotel don't do.
Let's get that one. We'll finish it for dinner. Harap.
Yes. Yeah,
Very good.
Iuwi natin.
which one
Ito
is
na lang.
It's really nice. It's sweet. It's really good. Yeah, we'll get this one and let me try this. The almonds here, just from the street. Really sweet. Fresh from the tree. It's kind of dry though because I think it was good a month ago, but they harvested it. So we have a few more left that are good to taste. So
Yeah, video mo yun.
it's like it's how you crack the talisay or the
Nakahilig pa akong ganyan.
nice almonds.
Picture mo kami dalawa.
Si Tita lasing. Oh my god. Sorry. Hindi tayo meant. Hindi tayo meant. We're gonna try. It's after drinking and someone is drunk. And we're gonna try the white or the green grapes here. The vineyard. So yeah, it's a vineyard there. Aray ko! Ouch! So they have that small ones. So let's see how it tastes. Very small one. We have the grape here. So let's taste. Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. A vineyard in Turkey.
Fotoğrafı gönder fotoğrafı.
Yeah.
Benim makinen yok değil mi? Yok.
This one we have the grape. These are the one that they use for making wine. So this is not good for eating. This is just for wines. It's a big one. So this is another vineyard for grapes for wine. It's a big one. So lots of wine. Grapes here. There you go. Is it? Oh.
So.
Another vineyard here. Really nice. Oh. Oh my god, that's a lot. We're here in the Chal Canyon. Going up and away. This is a pomegranate farm. It's like this big one. Lots of pomegranate here. They're like, they do export this one in Russia, he said. So this is the... So I got a big one over here and we're gonna try it later. And yeah, it's a farm of pomegranate. It's like a lot of them. Look at that. This one's really expensive in Dubai, and here you can just like take it from your neighbor. Like here, I think the reddish one is more ripe. So this one I just got from the ground, but yeah, I can get one. Oh my god! Wait, how about camera? Wait. Go. What do you have there? What are you selling? Selling pomegranate. 2 liras per kilo if you buy it here from my farm.
Look, all these are going to Russia. Yeah, you should.
Hi everybody, so that ends our 3 days here in Pamukkale, and the 3 days is worth it. It's full of fun and memorable things, things that we've done for first time, things we've seen for first time, and like what my earlier of this video, we did like a wonderful fruit trippings today. We were fortunate enough to meet up with this nice tour guide. He's from here, and actually he's actually really nice. He invited us over his house. It's really beautiful, and of course this trip is extra special because I'm with my aunt and my cousin, and tomorrow, and actually tonight, we'll be heading back to Istanbul. We have another full day tomorrow, but then in the evening I'll be heading back to Dubai. I'm actually sad and excited. Sad because the holidays finished and I'm gonna wait another few more months to see my family again, and my aunt and my cousin. Excited at the same time because I'll be going home. I'm gonna see Milan after 7 days. I think this is the longest days I haven't seen her, and I have to go back to work. I have lots of stuff to do. Season is starting. So guys, I hope you like all my video for my Turkey trip, and it's very nice. I mean, I recommend it for the people who wants to see this kind of place. Best time to go to Turkey is about September onwards. The weather is hot, not that hot, and it's nice and cold, and yeah, and in Dubai it's really hot, so I enjoy the weather here. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you Dubai in less than 48 hours. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to go to Pamukkale, Turkey here, Pamukkale or Istanbul, Turkey, let me know. I might help you to get you a bit more information and ideas where to go, and might be able to introduce you to the tour guide that we had here in Pamukkale. It's been a wonderful 7 days, and hope you guys like my previous videos. For sure, these videos will be uploaded later than the actual holiday, because of course I'm not going to do edits during the holiday. But I hope you guys like all the previous videos, and thank you for joining me for my Turkey trip, and see you guys again later. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to be updated for my videos, please click the notification bell. All right, so thanks again guys, and see you again soon. Bye.